adie keten okabere maido popolo kite atuboni lo adoketa etana sodit Tony Obonyo nesibian aturaki tungai kanyare otujalo kabere maido adaunu isabiti ni uni kanuebe amotakin atia ikinetogokea pameno tiengele kwap lo abale lopebe adolit adoketa etina aibubukin kochalo ala katakwi otem ogbolo Kalaki district Ikanyare ilu kesi Imoriaritos John Ekanyu Samuel Emasu Gideon Obaikol Moses Emaju Samuel Ojenge Stephen Edielu ka Richard Ekanyu Abuadie keto chamak abuono na Apollon Eyonak lo ejenara kwape John Levi Ekanyu lo ikara kaisa kanyu nilu Apollo abuono Ekanyu na isirigin ilu kumina kwatakanyape nesi alomuni kanu ebe amojomuke.
Friends, with which every discharge is made over the sound court. In a person who advanced 8 years. The suit is presented as substantial. It received a cash bail of 600,000. The two suites bond themselves to pay 1 million each, not cash.
So they should have any of the
A3 to report to court on 21st of November.
I want to go to job. A case of law. This is already a case of law.
Now, the court also has taken note of the emotion between the parties.
And
wants that when A3 is released, it should not interfere with the prosecution witnesses. Ensure that the investigation will intimidate the witnesses. Use his advanced stage and maturity to make sure that parties reconcile. Have you understood Mosaic? I'm looking at you as a source of the solution to this. Okay? When you get out, try to make peace. Make sure that you reconcile.
Ekanyulo nesi arai ediopete kalu apotu ipolisi nilu okidena okioga orochutu na iwongonete kosabiti kala tubor konamba kalo emusago alo police CRB idopeti uni dopet irik iare not iare iuni kirik icha irik ti irik si